YouTube, it's the Freaky Flash, and we're back with another video. It's week 7, and for this week, as you can see, I went and I got my beard cut. So if you remember week 6, we went through some little facts about trimming your beard according to how it actually grows. And this week you can see the perfect example of that. And last week I showed you guys that I had a finger space on the side of my face here where hairs didn't really grow. And I also did explain how I would go about getting a trim along, the certain lines where the hairs grow more than the rest, and then afterwards you have a fantastic looking beard after you've trimmed. So this is the perfect example of that. As you can see, I went and I got that trim line right there, which then connects to the point where there's no beard growth right here. But like once it's trimmed out and you've done it perfectly like this, then obviously it's very hard to tell. The beard just looks fantastic. Now another thing that I did do was get a young fade coming up my jawline right here. And the reason why I did that is because I have a specific beard goal that I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to grow a Leonidas build, right? So if you guys remember the movie 300, King Leonidas had that fantastic beard where the chin hairs are much longer and then it gradually shortens as it's going up the jawline. And so that's the kind of beard that I'm going to be growing. So if you guys would have been wondering, like, it's week 7, why would you cut your beard and trim off a lot of that growth? It's only because I want my beard to grow into that style. Like, I feel that it's better to have your beard grow into the type of style that you want rather than you growing out your full beard and then styling it to that shape. The reason why I'm kind of against shaping it after you've fully grown it is because depending on the barbers that you have or the barber that you're using, you might get a bit of a bad cut. And if you get a bad cut after having spent months growing your beard, it's totally gonna suck. So you'd rather trim it, shape it while you're growing it according to the beard goal that you have. And then once the beard is nice and super long and it's beautiful and it's grown into its shape, going to the barber is just going to be a case of touch up and actually keeping it at a certain length, XYZ. And that's it for week 7 really. I'm just going to keep on growing the beard. You're going to be noticing during the weeks I'm going to be continually trimming and cutting certain areas, and then I'll also go about just explaining why I'm doing that. Valentine's is coming along, so if you guys are on the social medias for Brothers Beard, go on there, check it out. There is a coupon code which is being made available, which will give you free delivery. So make sure that you get that coupon code and get them Valentine's gifts ready to go. Peace.